And it's been another quiet and comfortable day, but the weather is about to warm up. Meteorologist Kate Bilo here with the forecast. Hi, Kate.
Hi there, Jessica. Yeah, we've got a warm and windy Wednesday on the way, but let's start off with the latest on Hurricane Delta, which may eventually impact our area. This storm is a beast. It is a Category 4, incredibly dangerous hurricane. Winds are at 145 miles per hour, and this is forecast to slam right into Cancun, Mexico tonight, moving just over the tip there of the Yucatan Peninsula and then back into the Gulf of Mexico. It may briefly lose a little bit of steam and downgrade to a Cat 3, but then it is expected to at least briefly re-strengthen to a Category 4 by Friday morning, and as of the current forecast is expected to make landfall along the mid-coast of Louisiana as a Category 3 hurricane later Friday night. And then the track becomes a little more murky as it moves to the north and east. The question is whether any of that remnant rainfall will eventually impact us. If it does, it would be late Sunday into Monday. Some stats on Hurricane Delta. It's the third Category 4 storm so far this season. It went from depression to Cat 4 in 36 hours, and it's the strongest Greek alphabet name storm on record ever. It hasn't been many times that we've gone into the Greek alphabet, of course, anyway, and it's likely to be the 4th Gulf Coast landfall and the 10th named storm to make landfall this season, which would also be a record. Philadelphia this evening looking quiet. As we said, it's been a beautiful seasonable day with temperatures right around 70. They're now in the mid to upper 60s. Feels pretty great out there. Dew points are low, dew points in the 40s. There's a bit of a breeze out of the south and west, and that southwest wind is coming in as a front approaches, moving through the Great Lakes. Warmer winds moving into the area tonight, and tomorrow will be a very mild day. So tonight's low is 54 degrees, not 24. We got some time before that happens. Mainly clear and quiet overnight with some areas of fog developing. Tomorrow we're looking at a high of 78. We're back above average. It's mostly sunny, windy, and warm. Winds could gust as high as 35 miles per hour out ahead of that front, which will likely come through about 7:30 or 8 o'clock at night, and that'll knock back the temperatures for Thursday. Dry conditions are the story through the end of the week, and I think Saturday will stay dry as well. Sunday into Monday is when we have to start watching that remnant moisture from Delta. So I want to show you two different models, two of our long-range models that we look at. First one is the GFS model starting Saturday into Sunday. Now this brings the moisture north Sunday night and brings rain to the area on Monday. This is remnant moisture from Delta, and you can see some heavy rain Monday afternoon. The European model looks a little different. It suppresses most of the rain to the south, so Monday morning, still not much getting in here, and even by Monday night, most of the rain is south, so mainly showers creeping in with that particular model. So it all depends on the movement of Delta over the next few days. We at least have to plan Sunday into Monday for the possibility of some rain, but a lot of uncertainty around that forecast. That hurricane has to do a lot of things before it gets close to us. Your Eyewitness Weather 7-day forecast: 78 tomorrow, windy and warm. Cooler, breezy, beautiful and crisp Thursday and Friday. Saturday's warmer and muggier. Then Sunday and Monday, that's when we could start to see the chance for a little bit of rain to move in. Jessica, back to you.
All right, Kate, thank you.